Hey guys, it is Kelly. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, thanks for joining us. If you are returning, thank you. All right, let's get into it. We are talking tips, easy tips on how to bring gratitude into your daily life. So 1 through 6 will be in the link above to watch that video, and I also have the blog below is the link. All right, let's get into it. Number 7, gratitude journal. Gratitude journal, you hear people talking about it. What is it all about? It is huge. First thing when you wake up in the morning is when I like to start gratitude, and then writing it down just enforces it. And then at the end of the night, you can read those back out. So you're waking up with gratitude and you're going to bed with gratitude. Writing it down just enforces it a little bit more. And then try to do repeating it during the day as well. Let's do number 8. All right, so number 8 is doing our daily tasks, like going to the grocery store, or the bank, or like a coffee shop. Now we're doing a little bit less of this than we used to, so I think it's more important, especially now, like when you smile at someone, someone might not be able to tell unless they're like really staring at your eyes. So when you're interacting, especially now, I think it's really important. Look someone in the eye and say thank you, like, and mean it, and don't be on your phone when you're interacting with another person. Sometimes that other person really needed that interaction, and then you can be a part of that, right? If we can share a little extra kindness, I think we could all really use it right now. Okay, let's jump into number 9. Go for a walk. Maybe it's with someone, maybe it's friends, family, maybe it's by yourself. Maybe you just need a little time away from everything. And be in the moment. I think a lot of it is just like being in that moment. So if you're on your phone when you're walking, like you're just not enjoying like everything that's around you. Could be people, could be nothing, could be trees, the sky, the clouds, the weather. Just take a minute and be grateful for that, because if you have the opportunity to be outside, some people don't, right? So yeah, just take that moment while you're doing it. Be in your actions, be in your moments. Number 10. Now I don't have a pet, but I watch a lot of pet videos. Pugs and like French bulldogs are my favorite. So cuddle your pet, take a moment with your pet. Or like I said, I don't actually have a pet, but I watch the videos because there's something about animals that are just so like kind, and like your heart just melts for them. And that's you can definitely do that every day, right? Number 11 is pray, if you call it praying, or meditating. Or for me, meditate is such like a word. I've told myself so often that I can't meditate, or I don't have the patience to meditate, so now I just switched out the words. Now I say quiet time, so it's like my quiet time, because meditate was just like a barrier word for me. So yeah, like I come in my room and have a sit down, and just quiet your mind. We have so much news and social media and work and family, and we are scrolling and on our computers, and we just don't take that time to step away and like actually be away. Sometimes you get away from those things, but you're still thinking about those things. So take a little quiet time for you. You can call it praying, you can call it meditating, you can call it whatever you want. Just take that time to kind of have a moment with just yourself. So number 12 is deep breaths. Take some time and have a few deep breaths during the day. This goes really good with number 11. When you're in your quiet praying, meditating time, take a few deep breaths. That'll help calm your mind and everything else that is going on up there. And it kind of shifts your thoughts, shifts your state. If you're like worked up and you've been just busy and crazy, and you're slowing your body down, taking those few deep breaths and appreciating that time that you have there. So going along with those deep breaths during your day too, when you are wanting to react to something, like sometimes someone will say something or an event will happen, and you want to react right away, take a breath or take 2 breaths before you react, and just think about how that's going to make you feel. If it's for a positive, okay. If it's maybe going to send you down a little bit of a spiral, take a few more deep breaths, and maybe you don't have to react in the way that you thought you were going to. Alright guys, so that was 7 to 12. Little recap. So journal, writing something down is going to enforce it a lot more in your mind, and then you can read it back at night. Like I said, I like to do it in the morning, and then I read it back at night. Number 8, was the daily task. Remember to make eye contact and say thank you when you're out and like mean it, because you were running around all the time, you're on your phone. It's nice to have that interaction. Someone might really need it, and it could make a big shift in someone's day. Number 9 is going outside, going for a walk. 10, cuddle your pet, or maybe watch a pet video. Number 11 was pray, meditate, or quiet time, whatever word works for you. And 12 was those deep breaths. So like I said, the blog is below. I will link the 1 to 6 above. There's a little freebie below for a weekly gratitude sheet that you can actually print off. And it's just got the days blocked out, and it's just easy to use. And what I want you to do is take action. So start tomorrow, start right now. Write down what you are grateful for every day for even a week. Just try it. You got nothing to lose, right? All right, guys, so that is going to be it for this one. Remember, like and subscribe and share it with a friend, and take action.